Would you take me to your house and show me your favorite 5 fashion pieces?
Yeah, I'm gonna be real. I'm homeless right now, bro. But I can show you where I keep all my clothes at. All right, pull up. Welcome to my spot, bro. I slept in this outfit right here. I woke up. You got me. I was going to get a coffee. I sleep here, no pillows, no blankets. Test it out.
Yo, low key, you could dead knock out here. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, it's peaceful, bro. This is genuine leather.
This don't give homeless vibes.
I mean, you know,
You grinding.
I live everywhere, you
Okay.
know? So
Okay.
this is what we've been working on. This is a new collection. I'm about to drop some of this shit. So this is the whole cut and sew area right here. My whole life, I just needed space to make stuff. So this, I'm happy I finally got the spot. We got the Goblin here overlooking the whole factory. We got the 730 hand painted on the wall. It looked like a sticker, but it's hand painted.
This shit is hand painted?
Yeah, look. You can see every stroke on this shit.
Yeah, you can see it.
This is my friend Father Steve, and this Uma, his new brand.
Show us your favorite 5 fashion pieces.
5, I'm a free ball this. I wasn't planning this, but I'm a freestyle this real quick. I'm gonna say it's hard to pick between the Chrome Heart Tims or these shits. These are the 730 Defenders. You see that? The Balenci sole on the 730s. I'm gonna say that as one of my favorites. Let's see what's over here. Between these two, I'm gonna go with the field pullover for Kanye. Shout out to Supreme, shout out to Kanye. That's my second piece right there. All right, number 3, I'm gonna just go with this Chrome Heart Matty Boy fucking jumpsuit right here. Something light, something light. That's number 3. Let's see. Let's see. Yo, I'm gonna pick this number 4. Krayshawn Bape shirt. XL. Try to find the XL. You can't find that shit. That's number 4. That's number 4. Number 5. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this is the first Supreme shirt I ever bought. This is the first Supreme shirt I ever bought in like 2012. But that's not number 5. That's not number 5. Let's see. Yo, this is a grail. People who know this is a grail, bro. 2001 Biggie Bape. Number 5. Damn. Yo, I'm gonna go with the fucking Bape Carhartt. Dead stock with tags. You'll never find another one of these in the world. Shout out Lil Wayne. That's number 5.
That's crazy, bro. You had a good 5 fashion pieces.
Thank you, bro.
I'm rocking with them.
Thank you, bro.
I fuck with all them pieces. They all different. You had a t-shirt, you had a jacket, you had an overall.
That's all you need.
I'm jacking it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I appreciate you for showing
course,
us your
bro.
favorite 5 fashion pieces. How long you been running your clothing brand?
I would say since like 2014, honestly.
What's something that you've learned since 2014 that you probably regret?
I mean, it's hard to say I regret it, but the one thing that I would just wish I did differently was just like stay more organized and like more consistent and planned out. Cause like I just started running this as like a real business, you know? And like up to this point, I was just fucking around and like there was no real plan, and somehow it worked out. Because I took a lot of risks, and I don't know how this shit worked out, but I trust God and I always stay positive. But yeah, I would just say like, if I locked in back then, who knows where I'd be at right now, you know?
You'll be a billionaire.
Yeah, no cap,
Yeah.
no cap. So it's like, but all paths are the right path. So it's like, you know, everything had to happen for me to get here, so.
What would you tell a younger self?
I would just be like, I would just tell him, maybe take this shit more serious and just like, you gotta work for your future family, bro, you know? Like, no more being lazy, like, you just gotta get up and do that shit, bro. And like, now I treat this shit like a 9 to 5, you know? But before, it was kind of like my whole life, and it like overtook my whole life. Just like, I don't know when to stop working, you know? So this is like, all right, from here to 9 to 5, we're making something happen today. Like, if there's nothing to do, we're gonna figure out what to do, you know?
Yeah. So after the 9 to 5, you probably go figure yourself, like you probably go do things for yourself.
Yeah, I'll just be chilling. I'm in love. I got a girl now.
Okay.
I'm just happy, bro. I'm happy as fuck. Yeah.
plan on having? Do you have kids, or do you have plan
Nah.
on having kids?
Nah, my brother just had a girl, so I'm a unk now.
Okay.
So, but I want kids. I want a big family, bro. So,
Okay.
yeah, definitely.
Nah,
That's what I'm working
fire.
for, bro.
That's
We gotta
fire.
work hard for our future wife, our future family, future kids. We can't be, come on. We
What's-
gotta take care of them.
What's the difference of having a girl and not having a girl?
Bro, that's the hardest part of this whole shit, bro. It's like deciding if it's a good thing or a bad thing. Because it's like, I'm 100% in love with my business, making art. Like, I'm 100% in that. I can't be 50% into this. And girls deserve 100% love, you know? And I want to give them that. But when they try to take you away from that, I'm going to say, fuck that, you know?
Yeah.
So it's a hard balance. It's a hard balance, bro. And I've been trying to figure it out my whole life. But now I feel like I'm in a good position right now, and I'm very happy. So.
Now you feel like you got good balance.
Because my girl, she's busier than me, you know?
Okay.
So she got her own shit going on. So I'm like, all right, we both need to lock in right now.
Yeah.
Let's just do our thing, and we'll have our time when we can, you know? And it's more enjoyable.
Is she somewhere around your industry, or
Kind of, yeah,
kind of?
yeah.
Okay. So she's like on her creative side.
Yeah, exactly.
You're on your creative
Yeah.
side, but it's not like clothing. Is it clothing?
No.
Okay.
No.
So she's another creative, and you're
Yeah.
another creative.
Mhm.
Okay. So do you think like you need to lock in with a creative, or like?
I feel like you just need, I mean, even with friends, even with anyone, you just need someone who's inspired and motivated to even do stuff. Like, just, you need someone to support you and be positive. And I feel like my current relationship, like, we're both on the same shit, where it's like, we know how stressful this could get. And, like, you know, when you're the source of it and everything relies on you, I got to pay people, I got to pay rent, Like, I don't have enough money to pay rent next month, you know? I got to figure something out. Everything is on my shoulders, you know? So it's just about someone who understands that, and they're supposed to be your peace, you know? So it's like, I don't want to go home and get more stressed out. I want to go home and just be peace, bro.
Yeah,
Peace.
for sure.
Peace and love.
So now, what have you been doing to try to make this an actual business?
I mean, just like running in a 9 to 5 and just planning things out more. Because my fans who've been rocking with me know that, like, I could do a drop and it won't ship for fucking a year, bro. Because, like, we're so fucked up trying to, because I think it's some crazy idea, drop it, and we don't have a real plan to make it. But now I have my friends like James, Sean, like, I got the team right, and we help just, like, plan it out now. So, like, now I'm, like, 2 months ahead, which is way better than what I used to be. I'm just very grateful, and shout out to everyone who's been rocking with me. And I just will say, like, it's gonna take everything you got. I know a lot of people want to start brands, but it's like, I had to do this shit myself because no one else would listen to my ideas and be like, yo, this is too much work, we can't print this, da. So I had to build my own print shop. Now we're building the cut and sew shit. Like, I'm building everything from the ground up with all my own money. So it's all my own risk. And this shit could fail terribly, and I'll be fucked for life, or this shit will take off and we're lit, you know?
Have you lost people on the way, like, from this business thing?
Yeah, definitely, bro. Definitely. I mean, my real friends have been with me over 10 years, and that's like my superpower. I'm super grateful for my friends. But yeah, some people, you know, shit can fucking fuck with their heads, bro. They see 20 bands and they'll think you're a billionaire, not knowing that it costs 19 bands to make the fucking clothes, you know? They don't know how this shit works, bro, you know? I don't buy nothing for myself. Every dollar I make goes back into this shit, you know?
Yeah, and it's like you make 20 bands, but then the rent, you gotta pay
Exactly.
the rent. You gotta pay the people to, like, make the item. You gotta pay for the shoot. Like, let's say if you get an extra people to shoot or
Exactly.
something like that, you gotta pay for that. You gotta pay for, like, a little bit of production. Freaking electric. People don't know
Exactly,
about
bro.
that. They see
And
that big money. Taxes.
Fuck taxes, bro.
You know?
No cap.
You gotta make a shirt that says "fuck taxes."
I'm
man.
down, bro. I'm down. That shit. Bro, we used to we started a war for like 1% tax. Now we're getting taxed 50%. No one gives a fuck. Everything we buy, everything we make, it's retarded.
It's crazy, bro. Do you have any girls that work with you?
Nah,
No. One thing about girls, they organized.
they are. Girls are amazing. They're the best thing on earth.
You should probably just think about like maybe one girl on your team that's probably gonna just be like super organized and make sure everything is like intact. I know you probably working on yourself, but that's just something to think about.
No, that's good advice, because right now this shit messy, bro. You know, I'm trying to get cleaned up.
I want the best for you, man.
That's love, bro. And I want the best for you too, bro.
Follow your dreams.
Yes,
I
sir.
like that. We out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
10 likes. 10 likes.
Tell them.
Drop 10 likes, 5 comments, bro.
That's
Come on.
it.
It don't cost no money to show love.